If you guys would like to learn how to make this run/walk GUI in Roblox Studio, whenever a player clicks the run button, it gives them extra walk speed, and when they click the walk button, it sets them back to their default walk speed. If you guys would like to learn how to do this, then please watch this whole video as I will show you guys how to do this. Hey guys, Noodle Gamer here, and welcome to the tutorial of how to make a run/walk GUI in Roblox Studio. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a brand new video to YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, you're going to have to get the free model that I made, or you can just make your own, but if you made your own, make sure you have the GUI, and then a frame, and then a run button, and then a walk button. Alright, now once you have the free model, it's in the description. You can go ahead and get it, and then drag it into your walk and run GUI. Now once you have your walk and run GUI, we're going to get started on scripting. So first off, we're going to insert in some remote events. We're going to insert in 2 remote events into the server storage. So click the plus, insert a remote event, and I'm going to name this event, or I'm actually going to duplicate it first, so Control D, and I'm going to name the first one to run event, and I'm going to name the second one to walk event. Now once you have your 2 events, we're going to start scripting. So click on the run button, click the plus, and insert a local script. Now once you have your local script, you're going to clear print hello world, and we're going to start with the variables. So local replicated storage equals to game clone get service speech mark replicated storage closing speech mark closing bracket. Now we are going to say, now we're going to do our event. So script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click open bracket colon connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket, and between these brackets we're going to say actually don't say anything between brackets, I'm sorry about that. Now we are going to say replicated storage dot run event colon fire server. Okay, now once you have that, we are going to make another local script in the walk button. So click plus and insert local script, and as you can see, we're going to clear the print hello world. Oh, by the way, speaking of printing, I'm going to be starting a beginner series, so if you don't know what printing is, then don't worry, just subscribe, and we're going to make that beginner series soon, and you'll be able to be notified about it. So yeah, so let's just clear print hello world, and then we're going to copy exactly what we said here. Well, not exactly what we said, we're going to change it up a little bit, so Control V, and we're going to change the run event to walk event. Now we have fired those events, so when the player clicks on the button, then it's going to trigger the remote events. But we haven't scripted the remote events yet, so let's go ahead and do that. So click the plus and insert a script. Now we are going to say local replicated storage equals to game colon get service open bracket speech mark replicated storage closing speech mark closing bracket. Now we're going to say now we're going to trigger this is the part where we make the event do something. So replicated storage dot run event dot on server event connect open bracket function open bracket close bracket, and then between these brackets we are going to say PLR or player. I'm just gonna do player for the sake of this video. I would mostly like to use PLR for if you're making like a game or something, so it doesn't like lag or anything. I don't know. Now we are going to say local char equals to player dot character. Now we are going to say char dot humanoid dot walk speed equals to, and as you can see, if you look at the default humanoid's walk speed, as you can see, it's 16. So we're gonna double that up. So 16 times 2, 16 plus 16 equals to 32, as you know. So we're going to change the walk speed to 32 because 16 plus 16 equals 32, so that means we're gonna double up the walk speed. Okay, now we have our run event. We are going to copy this and we're going to paste it, and we're going to change things up a little bit. So this is going to be for the walk event, so walk event dot on server event colon connect, and then we're going to change it back to the default walk speed, which is 16. So let's test this out. This should work. So click play or play here. I'm going to click play here. And as you can see, when you click the run button, you get extra walk speed, and when you click the walk button, you get set back to your default walk speed. Oh yeah, as you can see, I have a new shirt on which displays our logo. You can get that shirt in the group, our group, which is I put a link in the description so you can get it. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you are confused about this run a walk button, if you are afraid it's going to only show for you, it's not only going to show for you. It's going to show for everyone else because we were using remote events. That's how useful remote events are. And I'm probably going to make a video about remote events, probably after our beginner series. So, yeah. And I will see you guys in the next video.